So here on the word, we gonna enable the feature of the formula, and as you see, there is no such an option right now on the insert tab. Now we're gonna uh, see in other tabs if the option available there or not. And as we see, there is no option available in any of the tab. Now go to the file, then go to the option. Here is when word option is appearing, click to the custom reference. Now choose command prompt to the tool tab. Click to the option tool tab. Now list of the options are appearing on the screen. We need to go to the table tools, and after that the layout tools. Under the layout tool there is a data tool. We need to add the data tool to the right hand side table. Now as you see, we added the data tool in the right side table. Click to the OK. Now you are able to see there is a data option in the insert tab, and under the data we find the